Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today, we're going to discuss about how are you going to revise your paper. So this will be focusing po dun sa pagpo-format ng ating Thesis Manuscript. So let's start. So dito sa sample natin, magpa-follow tayo ng certain format. So for this example, ang una nating i-edit is yung ating paper layout followed by the margin and then format for the cover page. Dapat dito sa ating paper layout, it should be A4 and ang margin niya should be 1 inch for top, right, and bottom. And then sa left, we're going to include another 0.5 inch. So size muna tayo, it should be A4. So in-highlight natin yung lahat ng file and then under layout, include size. So under layout pa rin to get the margin. So again, 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeter. So okay na for the top, bottom, and right. Then for left, 1.5 equivalent to 3.81. So okay na yung margin natin for this one. Next is changing the format of the title. So dito sa sample natin, it should be all caps and inverted pyramid. So in-edit natin, all caps na siya but hindi pa inverted pyramid. Lipat lang natin yung word para ma-shrink siya na inverted. Next is for the number of spaces. Para madali natin makita if correct yung number of spaces between this part ng ating cover page. So click natin yung mark dito sa ribbon natin. Yan. So show mark para madali natin makita yung number of spaces. So check natin, it should be 10 spaces. So okay na yan. Then undergraduate thesis submitted to the faculty of the Department of Management. So kung saan department kayo belong. So don't forget to capitalize those parts that needs to be capitalized. And then the name of the university and location of the university. Then another 10 spaces in partial fulfillment of the requirement for the degree of. So ito naman lahat small letter. And then for the course, caps and small letter. So Bachelor of Science in Business Management. So baba natin. Sunod naman is name nyo. So dun sa format natin, it should be all caps and bold. So highlight natin. Then for the cases, change it to uppercase. And then bold paste natin. Then for the bottom part, that's the month and year of completion. Lagay natin April 2024. Na hindi siya naka-bold face. So sa tingin ko, okay na yung cover page natin. Tingnan natin. So ganyan yung magiging itsura ng ating cover page. Next is approval sheet. Approval sheet depends on the school. So meron tayong form na for the approval sheet. So hindi na natin i-cover yan sa ating video. So mag-move na tayo sa biographical data. Okay, for the biographical data, so meron tayong heading. Ang heading natin ay all caps, Arial, and boldface ang format. Hindi siya naka-indent. So naka-center siya. And then your name should be the first word that should be in the biographical data. Ang format ng ating name ay boldface, caps, and small. So ayusin lang natin yung paragraph. Check natin, it should be 3 single space. Laging ang major heading natin ay 3 single space. Ang distance dun sa paragraph. Okay na, 3 single space. Check natin, it should be 1. Walang space before and after. Again, caps and small, change its cases. And yung buong body natin ay normal lang yung font. Hindi siya naka-bold face, pero naka-double space and naka-0.5 na indentation yung first line ng paragraph. So yung month natin, sa format na pina-follow ko ay una dapat yung number bago month. And then, unahin muna natin yung place of birth bago yung date of birth. So 12 December 1999. Wala na siyang comma. So the first paragraph should include your personal and family background. Second paragraph of biographical data includes elementary and secondary education. Then, for the third paragraph, dito yung college awards and other related achievements. And then, for the last paragraph, you have to indicate your year of completion. So, dito, April 2024, hindi na ako naka-bold face. Ano yung font type? Period. Okay, we're done. For another author, so gagawin din natin siya ng same na format. So, dito okay na yung kanyang paragraph, date na lang yung babaguhin natin. Then for the third one, so okay na rin. Don't forget to include 3 single space bago yung name nila sa bottom. Then for the acknowledgement, 3 single space pa rin. So yan, dahil naka-double space, consider na 3 single space na siya. Pero pwede nyo naman siya i-single space gaya ng kanina. Then for the format, meron dito sa sample ko na dapat may proper arrangement din yung ating ina-acknowledge. So we're going to start with the advisor. So ang format niya per paragraph ay name na ina-acknowledge, the role, and then your message of appreciation sa kanila. Dito, edit lang rin natin kagaya ng format yung sa advisor. So we'll be starting with name. Siya lang yung naka-bold face, then the role, and acknowledgement. So after ng technical critic, we have statistician and then English critic. So English critic optional lang naman siya if we're going to acknowledge them. And after that ay teacher person and campus administrator, followed by those other people that you would like to acknowledge, like your family, friends. And lastly, acknowledgement, of course, our Lord. It would be included as last part of your acknowledgement or first paragraph of your acknowledgement before acknowledging your advisor. So this is sample natin, nasa last part. So it should be 3 single space after the paragraph, sa bottom na the authors. The next part will be abstract. So for the abstract, meron tayo, remove lang muna natin yung page number. So dito sa introductory na paragraph natin for the abstract, so 3 single space pa rin. Ang format na niya, kung mapapansin nyo, the name of the author, ang nauna is the surname followed by the first name. Then, next is the title of the paper. So, small case lang natin yung mga dapat na small case for this part. So, bold case format siya, pero absent small cases. Next naman is table of content. So same format, 3 single space after the heading. Then meron tayong label for the list of table na page. It's in boldface. Then yung mga major heading natin under ng table of contents will be in boldface. Then the subheading ay hindi na boldface like this one. Format caps and small na for the subheading. So dito, para ma-organize natin yung alignment ng ating table, since manual yung input natin ng mga parts and heading for the list of table, gumamit tayo ng, nag-insert tayo ng table for this part. So kung mapapansin nyo a while ago, yung dito sa review of related literature, wala siyang subheading. If meron kayong heading or subheading under ng review of related literature, hindi na natin siya nilalagay dito sa ating table of content. So try natin mag-insert ng table for the table of content. So ganun lang, insert table, dalawang column siya, so I insert 2 column and then the number of rows. Sa sample natin, I just include 4 rows. Copy paste natin siya. And then follow natin yung right format. Again, it should be double space. And then for the label, naka-left align siya. Insert lang tayo dyan ng dot. Okay. Yung ating mark, niretain ko siya para makikita natin kung nasa tamang number of spaces tayo. So, dapat align din yung mga dots nyo doon sa upper na row. Magkakapantay yung mga dots natin. Okay. Then, remove yung ating lines for the table. Para pag print natin siya, hindi makikita yung lines ng ating table. So, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. Well aligned for each box. So, dito, sa sample natin, wala pa siyang dot, but you should include dots doon sa ating table of content. Ng table of content, next is the list of table. Dito naman sa list of table, we have 3 column. One for the table number, second column for the label, and third for the page number. So sa table natin, center align. Syempre may space din to show a double space layout. And then yung ating table number ay nasa top. Edit lang natin siya under ng table layout. Click this. Ang ating table label should be hanging indent. So, pag ihahanging indent natin siya, justify din natin para mas maganda yung layout niya. Highlight natin yung label and then click paragraph. And for special height, yung first line is nasa corner siya ng cell and then meron tayong naka-indent for the second and then the next lines. So, ganun din yung gagawin natin for the other table. For the page number, it should be in center format. Center siya, okay na. So, this is how the list of tables will look like when you print it. Next is list of figure. It is similar to the list of table. Ganun din yung format. And that is the end of our tutorial for editing your thesis manuscript in terms of